This is Father Jojo. I am the provincial superior of the St. Mary's Province of Missionary Compassion. I am staying in Hyderabad.
Thank you.
I am Father Thomas Aslis, one of the General Councillor of Missions of Compassion. Recently, I had taken charge of this community as the superior of this community. So this is all about.
Thank you.
I'm Father Sudhir, Secretary to the Provincial Superior. I'm staying in Hyderabad.
Thank you.
I am Father Joseph Chatla. I have been working here since 5 years onwards. I am taking care of the old age home belongs to this community.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Father, for your introduction. And I would like to introduce myself also. My name is Jojo George. I am the Managing Director of DG Renewable Energy Solar Energy Company. And I really thank on this auspicious day that we have gathered together on this inauguration day. So, first of all, I thank our Father Provincial, Father Jojo George, who had trusted us and hand over the solar project to us. So I really heartfully I thank Father for this opportunity given to me, and I just want to hear from your word that when was the work order given to us, and what all the capacity of the solar plants we have installed so far, and where all the places we have done, and as you have seen practically each and every places where we have installed. So how the quality of the product, and how was the working principles, or maybe the structure, or maybe the solar panel, the make of the solar panel and the inverter. So how work was the work was completed. So can you just share your opinion, Father?
All right. I must also thank Mr. Anthony for completing the work in time. Okay, that was a big time thing. I know that there were a lot of troubles were there. Climate was not favor, that season is not suitable. And we also had some issues, other issues, some fees, this and that. But anyway, you have done the work in time, and this is the last work, house to be inaugurated, and
Yes.
we have completed the work everywhere. And thank you very much. When we got this project, when we thought about this project itself, I had taken quotation from you. I had taken quotation from Hyderabad, Chennai, and Hyderabad, 2-3 people from Niluru, here and there. And then we have studied all of us. Father Sudhir was with me while going through all these quotations, different making, different. And then I contacted you all many times over the phone and directly also to clarify the doubts.
Yes.
Whenever we had the doubts, and you are very good to clarify, explain to us these are these. So we spoke to many people. That was the confidence to give you this one. Because this is a big work, major work, and we invest a lot of money in it. And then we also need that it should come. It should
Yes.
come. They should work well. Not that it just installs and go, and then next year it does not work, and then everybody will blame. Therefore, I also did not want to take that chance. That's the reason I had the doubt. No, even though I trusted you, even then I clarified this and that with you, and you had done well. And our experience is good. Okay, whenever we understand. Climate was not good. This is rainy season. Actually, we started June 1st. We gave interested in the work.
Yes.
And then when we started the work itself, rain started. At rainy seasons, things were not available, and things we could not do. Sometimes we could not even move because of the rain and so. But because anyway, 6 months was the time. Within 6 months, we have completed the work.
Yes.
And the panels are all good. Adani company, I asked you about Tata, Adani, and some other companies. Adani, you said Adani is best. Okay, bipolar, and you have got
Bifacial panels. Where it can generate from the bottom also, from the top also. That is a specialty in these panels actually.
Okay.
So other panels are they can generate only in the top.
Okay.
But these panels, even it can generate from the bottom also.
Okay. Maybe 2-3 feet.
Yeah, yes.
Yeah,
When we
okay,
keep in the
that's
height
very good.
distance, So then accordingly, the reflection of the light can generate.
Yeah, sure.
So for example, if 1 kilowatt normal panel can generate 4 units, these panels can generate 5 units.
I have seen thousands of acres of this panel for maybe
Yes.
1.5 feet.
Yes. That's
Near
what
to my
they give
village called Neyveli.
Yeah,
NLC.
Yes. So that's the thing they keep.
We asked so many things. What is polycrystalline,
Polycrystalline, monocrystalline.
I have a lot of doubt. Polycrystalline, monocrystalline. We are not actually doing with it. And that was the reason why I asked what is polycrystalline, what is monocrystalline, how different they are. I did not want to go for anything substandard. That's the reason I asked the best.
Yes.
And what we are going is the most
Advanced latest thing I have suggested.
bifacial 650 Adani panels.
Yes.
And what is kept is working well, fine.
Yes, yes.
In Nedanur, in the house where I play, that is working fine. We have no bill this month, and it is actually extra.
Yes.
We just kept the capacity only, not nothing more.
Yes.
Actually, what was earlier used in the bill, according to that only we kept.
Yes.
And then it is working fine. We have no issues. All these days we have no issues. Actually, it is working fine.
And even we are connected to your complete load.
Complete
even
load.
your AC.
Everything.
All the load is being connected to the
That's what
solar.
is working for. We are no problem. Other things are okay. We will come to know later on only. But then I am sure that it will work.
Fine,
Well. We trust that one.
Yes.
We need that one. In case anything happens, we don't know what happens tomorrow.
Yeah.
Anything happens, we call you and
Because there is a warranty of 25 years for the solar modules, and there is a warranty of 8 years for the inverters. So, usually there will not be any problem at all. So far, wherever we installed, accidentally something occurs. Maybe the rat something cut the wire and get short circuit, or maybe anybody want only come and cut the wire, then the short circuits will happen. No, only those type things. But even though to protect that also, we have kept all safety functions in ACDB and DCDB. So if this type of anything short circuits happens, the MCB and SPD will go off, so that your inverter and panel will be protected. So we have added all the safety functions as per the norms of CHESCOM also, as per the norms of BESCOM also, even as per the norms of Telangana state and even Kerala state. So all whatever, each and every electricity board company has their own norms. So we have designed our ACDP and DCDP in such a way that it will be equal to accept that and approve that. So we have considered everything. Since I have experience worked with Pan India, so I know where, which place and all, what we have to give. In that way, accordingly I operated, and only because of God's grace, everything got successfully happened. Because of only His grace, not human beings. We don't have anything in our hand. Only God has helped us, and successfully we have completed all the projects and inaugurated all the projects.
we also have kept the lightning arrestor everything.
Yes, Father.
This will not interfere with the
Nothing. We have kept already 3 earthings we have kept separately. One is for lightning arrestor, one is for ACDB, one is for DCDB. Because we don't trust the earthing of yours, because this may be the old building. Earthing would have already gone. Earthing will be there. And also even the electricity board company also, they will not accept. This is all compulsory, we have to do that. So we have done as per the technicality only. So there is no any.
Everywhere, in case if power comes more in the line,
Yes.
there is something protected.
Yes. In ACDB, SPD is there. That will protect the surge. So if fuse may go out, that's all. Then we need to replace the fuse, that's all. So all the safety functions has been added over there as per the technicality, whatever requirement of the electricity board. We have.
Before giving the order, we have actually gone to many places, many bargaining areas. We have to talk to a number of people. And we have also studied a little bit what is this, not simple. And structure, everything we wanted
Yes.
without rest.
Hot dip galvanized. Yes.
Everything is
Specifically, I had given everywhere hot dip galvanized.
everything is iron.
If it is sheet roof, aluminum structure. We don't use any MS there, because the structure life should be 25 years as per the norms of the electricity board.
Hard places, hard water.
Yes. Corrosion will take place.
Corrosion will take place. That's the reason I did not want the normal MS.
Yes.
Rust free.
So this is all hot dip galvanized, which can last for more than 35 years. Nothing will happen to the structure. Even the fastness, net to bolt, everything is SS what we used. Even the cable also we use only polycab. We don't use any local materials. So we take care of all the each and every parts of the solar with the advanced and the good quality. Even though the price may be, but also we want to give the best to the customer. That's what, even though if it is more also, we don't mind.
Comparing to the maintenance of this both, which is less maintenance?
Maintenance in the sense, Father, only you need to pour the water on the panels.
Okay.
That is the maintenance required.
Due to dust or something?
Dust, yes.
Okay.
The dust will accumulate on the panel, so that generation will become less.
Okay.
So for that, you know, you can just put a pipe water and just clean the panel. That is more than enough. In rainy
You
season,
can
it is
use
not
a
required.
mopping stick also you can use.
Yes, mop also they can be used, but it's usually not required.
Okay.
When you leave a force of water in the pipe itself,
Okay.
more than enough. But in rainy season, not required. When the rain
Okay.
comes, automatically it will
Yeah,
get
yeah,
cleaned.
yeah, those-
You need to
that's
clean like only in the summer and the winter season, because winter, you know, that moisture will sit on the panel, so that the white marks will create. So generation will become less. So only that is the maintenance to be done. Other than that, you know, there is no any other maintenance here. And like, you know, when you provide a net internet for us, we will make a connection to your mobile itself. So that every day you can watch the generation in that. So how much it is generating per day. So everything can be, you can sit and watch anywhere. You are there anywhere, you can watch the generation. That system also we have provided here. We require a internet connection. That's all.
We'll provide internet.
Yes.
Because this is rural area.
Yes.
We don't
Yeah,
understand.
no, already a policeman came and asked.
This is a rural area. We don't get any internet type. Only mobile network.
Mobile network, yes.
Other than that, even mobile network is not that fast. So we can't give. Anyway, we are waiting for the space net and something else to come. Anyway, when it comes, as soon as it comes, we also want, I also want to know
Yes.
how much it is.
Yes.
You should make
We
it.
can share, you know, minimum 5 mobiles we can share.
Make it an integrated system and give.
Yes,
So
yes.
when
All the projects will be in your mobile.
Oh my.
That can be done.
Yeah.
Wherever we install, no, all the projects will be.
All our houses are not maybe the Mysore house is in the city, other maybe Jogipet or some Jogipet is in the city. Other things, everything is in the rural area.
Yes, yes.
We don't have fiber net connections.
Correct.
That is the reason why we are not able to give now. Anyway, I am looking forward to that one.
Yes,
Looking for some possibility where anything air fiber or something comes.
Yes. Otherwise, also, like, you know, nowadays we have a SIM routers where we can put a SIM.
Here it is.
But signal should be
Signal is
good.
good.
Yeah, internet signal should be good. Otherwise, you know, wired is always best.
But wired
Any.
it will not come
Ah.
because it's rural area.
Correct.
Wired has not chance.
So here, which is the Airtel or Jio, which network is good, you know, that SIM we can put it and we can convert that into router and
Come forward to Geo fiber or something.
Jio fiber network.
Something we will find. When we get it, we will put it in the connector, install everywhere.
During the maintenance times, we need to switch off something or?
Nothing.
Okay.
Because here maintenance is nothing
Okay.
except cleaning the panel, that's all. And that way anybody can just, you know, climb up and pour the water in the pipe. Because here, whatever is being generated from solar, first it will supply to your load,
Okay.
any load.
Okay.
Remaining whatever excess is there,
Okay.
that will be exported to the grid,
Okay.
electricity company. So every month, like, you need not to pay the bill. They will pay you the for the balance of whatever you exported.
Okay.
That is the concept here. And this will be, PPA agreement will be signed for 25 years. So when we sign the PPA, you know, that rate, whatever the tariff is there, that remains for 25 years. That is the advantage in the system. So you don't have any maintenance part. When you go with battery system, you need to put distilled water to the battery. Battery will last for maximum 6 years to 7 years. Afterwards, you need to replace the battery. Additional expenses will come.
Here, since you don't have a power cuts and often not power cuts,
Yes.
So far, no.
that's the reason why we will not give.
Yes.
Otherwise, Leatherwood also we have wanted the battery also. We have a small system in the battery also.
5 kilowatt,
That is for the-
yeah.
That is for the maintenance of the house. When
How
power
is current here?
Karnataka,
Yeah. Here the power supply is very good. Or Nirantara Jyoti line are there.
That Karnataka get taking current from the Navy only NLC.
Yes, yes.
But
Yes. That is the father. So thank you, father. Thank you for the opportunity.
Thank you very much.
And
anyway, as my provincial superior said, as soon as you go there, there will be this solar panel ready for you. Yes, I came by the time they finished the work. Really, he said, as you also said the same thing. The maintenance was also very good and they were very systematic in their work.
yes, yes.
So that I found
So
that they finished in
they
time.
finished in very
Yeah.
short period of time, correct? No, I think 2 days they have taken the time.
Yeah,
That's
no,
all.
it's 2 days. I just reached the evening and the following day they finished the work.
Yes,
And
yes, yes.
Because, before that, everything was taken, measurement was taken.
Before that, all the groundwork they have taken actually. have
We
come-
came 2 times here
Yes.
before that,
Yes.
taking measurement.
So everything as per the plan we have arranged, all the materials. So according to the site condition, we study first usually. We don't go and install it directly. First we go study the site, inspect the site. We'll find the feasibility, where to install everything we will decide. Then only we arrange the material and this is our working actually. So thank you very much Father for your
Thank you.
valuable time.
We look forward. Now this is work is not over.
Yes.
Now this is only the beginning of our relationship. It should be smooth as well when we have a trouble. If we have trouble, and I don't expect a trouble.
Yeah, that's what we need.
Our service will be there always.
I don't expect a trouble. I don't expect a trouble. But then routine checkup and all will be there.
Yes, Father.
And you will be monitoring.
Yes.
Now, when the system is working or not, sometimes we may monitor, may not monitor. But
No, always what I do is wherever I install, I'll be having all the data in my hand.
we hope that
So we usually check. There are technical team in our office. Their work is to check all the plans. Everything is working or not.
Suppose something happens, how long will it take to
Within 24 hours. If we resolve one day, we can
we'll
go.
also monitor.
Ah.
We monitor. We'll
Yes.
also monitor. That's how from our
Yes,
side, no?
yes.
And we expect the same to continue.
100% Father. This is ours because what we have learned is that after sales, service is very important. That's what I have learned. Okay.
So all over India you can go and
Anywhere.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Father. Thank you. So thank you very much for the order you have given to me, Father. On June 1st, you had given us the June 1st, 2023. You had given us the order. So today is 28th October 2023. We have successfully completed all the projects, Father. And I will submitting you the work completion letter along with all the documentation for your kind reference.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you very much.
You have done that.
Yes.